This is a black bin. And this is a blue bin. With your colours, your bin might be different colours. Items that go in the waste bin can only be used once. Like bubble gum and stinky nappies. But in the recycling bin, the items that go in there can be used many and many times. Like cardboard and bottles. I bought some items from home to put in the waste bin and the recycling bin. Let's look at the items. First, we can look at the items for waste. Look, we've got polystyrene. Wow, that goes in the waste bin. Let's look at the next item. A plastic bag. That goes in the waste bin. And we've got a black bin bag. That goes in the bin. And we've got a Tesco bag that goes in the waste bin. Wow! Now let's look at the recycling bin. Let's see what items we got. Look, we've got a soap bottle. That goes in. We've got a cereal box. That goes. We've got some paper that goes in the recycling. We got an orange juice box. And it's plastic! Wow! We got a tissue paper roll that goes in the recycling bin. And we've got a bottle that goes in. And a glass that goes in the recycling bin. A jar that goes in the recycling bin. And we've got a tin that goes in the recycling bin. And the last item is this is a plastic bottle. A plastic bottle. What do you think this is? It's a cardboard box. Wow. And that goes in the recycling bin. Wow! Did you know that crisp packets can only be recycled in stores? And if you have any at home, you can put them in the black bin or collect them all up and take them to a shop and recycle them. Wouldn't that be a great idea? Wow! That's amazing to know! Now we've sorted out the waste items and the recycling items. We're going to go to a recycling centre. Let's go! Most people think that your item's finished journey is when you put it in the bin. But that's really the beginning of their second life. We can choose what that life will be by choosing which bin to put it in. Waste management centres provide a range of different services such as recycling, composting and the treatment of black bag waste. There are two types of stuff that get recycled. Human-made materials like plastic, glass and paper, and natural materials like grass or food. Often magnets are used to push out any metals which could be saved from landfill. Unfortunately, what is sent to landfill will then pollute our environment for hundreds, if not thousands of years. My local waste management centre processes more than 300,000 tonnes of waste each year. stuff. These get picked up and sent to the recycling centres. Many waste management centres then turn these waste into a high-quality soil improver. A big thanks to the amazing waste management team at Huntingdonshire Council for helping to make this video possible. See you next time.